This is called mouse fishing. Go and try and train them to climb up a milk churn. Oh, you little bastard, you took it. I know what I can do. So here's my solution. Finger hole. Wheat made from wire cutters. And, because it's 2 a.m, I need one of these for the phone charger. Electric. Blah, 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 blah. Got him. Yes, that's what you want. That's the fresh stuff. There's nothing in those. You've taken all those seeds. Time for another beer. I just leave that there. Hopefully it'll still be there when I come back.